Late Khang Kardep kahnyo trap Ajik National Movement Bernihat Circle hapok kecinggilam u Presiden wa Ajit Makri mad u Vice President u Mintu Lapang ya bon teliki bank ke badan hapok ri phoi district haka khatwe tarik metau benai naiweng arjar arpwe haba pha ya ka khuboling ba u Presiden u Ajit Makri ulayathu bakaseng kala Late Khang Kardep ye kini kikentup ya ka SBI HDFC Apex Canara North Eastern Bank bat ka Syndicate Bank namar bakim buram syu ya kasyat nongkrem.
Ngasang ngajanam Bernihat Circle mata singiwan haga nega jaka HDFC ke bank bata bedang nega jaka ngilawan adu SBI ka Canara Bank ka MRB nang ka Syndicate Bank ka ICICI Bank bat ngilawan benkhang mata kasih ketahui kalong babaro dia tip namar ba kadai kasi ka di kenau rakhe ya ka festival ka ngilawan masyat nongkrem dance andai gabun hi bank ya clean atu step ka jingpli jongki ro kam daily sa ka jing bakla handai ka dei ba video ya order benkhang de nagaliang jungi ka sang ngilawan benkhang no ya ka but nagaliang jungi ni kwa banai ka clear message sa government mo ba bali haba bipan banaya ka shuti all over Meghalaya bali nim iPad ya ka officially letter Shaki Bank ru bakin khang ya ki bank nalu ka por dai bejem step te this is kabangi event man la ka por ang usnam sang balang ki Saiwan hagi bank her khang apun gine ki si rakhe si purom joka Meghalaya jumi yaksa kampan te nang nishmat na terpat. This is a clear message and requesting the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya if you announce any holiday on behalf of Nongkrem Dance or any festival, Khasi festival, so we request you to please notice or issue an official letter to the banks and the different part of the offices so that they can close the bank. You should not wait for the NGO to go to each and every departments, to each and every banks and then to close. So please take responsibility. This is our state, our beloved state. So please do respect and then please issue them also a notice. Abang ia keren bagi bank di omba bisa ngintip, lana ngintip kembali ngimkhang, ngimkwa ban le persya ya ka state hill lani ya jai penriu juga single club news. And then all the cabinets and the government please take a decision to issue a official letter to these different departments of the different branches. Thank you.